So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments, no annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're going over some breaking news, what Donald Trump just said to the public, and he wants to sign a $1,200 stimulus check as soon as today. So this is awesome, and this would become immediately available for Uber and Lyft drivers. That's what we're talking about today. This channel, the Rideshare Hub, is specifically geared toward Uber and Lyft drivers. I know there's so much news out there, and I like to basically do hours and hours of research and condense it all into how it can apply for Uber and Lyft drivers. I know it's super weird, but hey, we got to give you guys the best information. And not only is this for Uber and Lyft drivers, but it's also for all gig workers. So if you do any of the gig apps, DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, etc., or if you're just self-employed, you know, you're a freelance makeup artist or freelance tattoo artist. I don't know, can you do that? Can you show up to people's homes and give them tattoos? Hope you're sterilizing those needles. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is great news. I know back in March or April when the first stimulus bill was passed, a lot of people got a lot of money. Some people were giving $1,000 in unemployment benefits per week. So some people were making good money. And not only that, also people were getting the PPP loan, Paycheck Protection Program loan. That's what I got. I got $5,000 from the federal government for that, in a loan, in the form of a loan that is forgivable. So basically $5,000 cash just in my bank account. I was like, hey, I'll take it. And then I also got a $1,000 grant from the SBA, the Small Business Administration. So that was the first round of stimulus. So now we're talking about the second round of stimulus. So if you didn't get that money, you know, if you weren't paying attention to the news, I myself do tons of research every single day. So obviously, you know, I was first to hop on that one, and I got that money in my account like pretty quickly. So I was pretty happy. You know, I went out and bought a nice Mercedes. No, I wish. I wish they were like, yeah, you know what? Everyone's sad from the illness. Let's just give everyone G-Wagons. That'd be dope. Imagine, I would be happy with that. I would say if everyone can drive around in a G-Wagon, okay, I'll settle with that. But no, we're gonna get into the video. If you can smash the thumbs up button so more people can get this money, people who are in need. If you are in need of the money, this is for you. If you're not in need of the money, this is still good information to pass along to people who do need the money. There's gonna be limited funds, so you gotta be on this quick. So make sure to subscribe so you know exactly how to get the money. I think I'm one of the only people who make full on 20-30 minute tutorials on how to get the money. I've made videos on literally 30 minutes of me answering every single question to get unemployment benefits, every single question to get the Paycheck Protection Program, even the EIDL, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. So you want to subscribe so you know how to get the stimulus money. This is going to be in the form of a stimulus check, and it's not going to be available to everyone. So you need to make sure that you can qualify. I know they do make it very difficult, but that's why people like me exist. Literally, it's crazy, but yeah, full on, we were getting tons of requests for like, Dylan, can you tell us what to put in the boxes? So I was like, sure, I'll do it. So literally I sat down on my laptop, synced up my computer, and just went through everything, and you guys loved it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So smash the thumbs up button for that, and if you just like money, hit that thumbs up button. So without further ado, I'm just gonna sync up my phone here so I can show you exactly the updates that is going on. So here we go. I'm actually hopping into Twitter because for whatever reason, Donald Trump's, our president, his main way of actually communicating with the public is via Twitter. He actually makes huge announcements. He announced that he got struck with the illness through this, and he actually negotiates with big politicians through public tweets. Like, I don't know, I think he calls them up, and if they don't answer, he just tweets about it. So anyways, this is there's a lot going on Twitter. He posts a lot. I guess he's laying in bed trying to get better. He's in quarantine, but he's trying to get better. So this is the tweet that he tweeted out yesterday. He goes, "If I am sent a standalone bill for stimulus checks, $1,200, they will go out immediately to our great people. I am ready to sign right now. Are you listening, Nancy?" And then he tags Nancy. He's literally like tweeting at his negotiation. So I wanted to, this is a follow-up on, we just got a big win for the people of Michigan. Open up your churches and your schools, auto companies pouring in and expanding. Yes, so this was a follow-up from what he tweeted out the other day about the new stimulus bill that he plans on passing immediately if he is elected. And we were actually discussing this, which is actually a really interesting point, because if Donald Trump wins the election, I'm not saying whether, I kind of don't want to say who I'm voting for just because this isn't the point. I'm trying to give you guys facts, not like, I'm not trying to persuade you to do anything, right? But look what he's tweeting out. The House and Senate should immediately approve $25 billion for airline payroll support, $135 for Paycheck Protection Program for small business. Look at this. Both of these funds will be paid for with unused funds from the CARES Act. Have this money. I will sign now. Guys, this Paycheck Protection Program, that's the money that I got. I got $5,000. I could have even gotten more, but I don't know, it was so new, and I just wanted to hop on it, and I missed out. I could have gotten like $5,500, $5,400 because some of the taxes, whatever. Basically, it's to cover payroll. So you so the way it works, from the federal government standpoint, is that if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, self-employed, you are technically a small business owner on paper. So you can apply for this program, the Paycheck Protection Program, because you're a small business owner. And what that money, it has to be used for, 60% of that money has to be used for payroll. So what is payroll? It's the money that you receive. So and it's the first round, I guess, was for 2.5 months, and this could potentially be up for like up to 6 months. So I myself, the way I have it set up, I have an LLC company, and then I'm an employee of that company. It actually doesn't really matter. You can still apply even if you don't have that set up, even if you just get a 1099 or whatever. But whatever you are paid as a worker out of your own company, if you guys see what I'm saying, how much do you basically take home every month, times that by 2.5, whatever your salary is, and that's what your loan amount would have been for the first one. So for this one, again, it could be a longer amount, but there's a lot of things going on, so you could definitely apply if this gets approved. And wear your mask in the beauty parlor, Nancy. Dang, there's a lot of fighting going on in here. He tweeted out the other day that if he gets elected, where is this? If he gets elected, dang, there's so many tweets going on, oh my gosh. If he gets elected, he would be passing the, did I pass it already? If he gets elected, he will be passing the stimulus bill. Look at even what this guy said, Evan Kilgore. Great guy, he goes, Trump said he is ready to give every single struggling American another $1,200 stimulus check. Why would Nancy Pelosi oppose this? So I don't know why. I mean, obviously you guys think that Trump is responsible for everything. He has to negotiate with all these people to give to get these stimulus checks running. So anyways, guys, that's the negotiation that's going on. I couldn't find his last tweet, but basically he did say as soon as he gets elected president, he would pass a new stimulus bill for unemployment and help for small businesses as well. then that's the important part for Uber and Lyft drivers. But the $1,200 stimulus check, that's for everyone. So $1,200 stimulus check for Uber and Lyft drivers should be coming soon, hopefully within the next day or two. So I'll make an update video. So please smash the thumbs up button if you want that money in your bank account. That's money you do not need to pay back, unless you make over like 100 grand a year and they send it to you on accident. But anyways, guys, for most of you guys, it'll just be money in your bank account that'll you can use for whatever you want, for food, rent, etc., car payment. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links in the description down below if you want to get paid time off and sick leave as an Uber driver. If you use my link down below to sign up for Cover, you'll get your first 30 days for free, and you get sick leave funds of $100 if you do ever feel sick. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.